Ce forum est organisé parce qu'on se rend compte au niveau mondial que la science, la technologie, l'ingénierie sont des leviers puissants du développement socio-économique. Et il faudrait que l'Afrique prenne conscience donc, de cet enjeu pour pouvoir développer notre continent.
Most important thing is that we brought together ministers of 7 countries. We had government delegations from another 5 countries. We had business leaders, academic institutions, development partners, all coming together to discuss how do we build the scientific and technical capability in Africa.
Ethiopia is a country with a huge number of youths, so we need to have enough scientists for research. We have to have enough skilled technicians and people to produce product for the country. That is to extract ourselves from the poverty, we need to have this type of people.
The main takeaway is sharing of knowledge, and we have people from China, India, Chile, Brazil, Korea who have come and shared their experiences. It's absolutely clear that Africa needs skills and jobs come from these skills. So basically it's learning from the experience from the other countries, and the bank's role is basically brokering knowledge.
We live in a globalized world, and I don't think isolation is the key. I think Africa has got great opportunities. The challenges that it faces are very similar that we had faced before.
Nous avons, au cours de ce forum, bénéficié de l'expérience de certains pays, comme le Brésil, qui dans les années 60 exportait aussi du café et du cacao comme la Côte d'Ivoire. Aujourd'hui, ils sont la 9e puissance économique mondiale. Cela en investissant massivement dans les ressources humaines.
People have now come to realize that we need not to just know things, but we must be able to do things. And it is important really to get technical and vocational education and training to be at the forefront of national development.
I think fundamentally the struggle is in a little bit of that mismatch, you know, in terms of what the workplace needs or what you need to become an entrepreneur versus how the students are being taught along the entire value chain of education.
Nous prenons conscience que sans insister suffisamment sur la science, nous avons ce problème de la non-employabilité de nos diplômés. Nous en formons en masse dans les domaines de la littérature et la gestion, et ils se retrouvent, comme on l'a constaté ici comme ailleurs, au chômage.
The most important pillar for one company is the human resource, the quality of human resources. One ambition program with the World Bank is to reach the next 10 years 10,000 PhDs for Africa. I think that is possible to reach this goal. We need to work together, government, entrepreneurs, and the education universities as well.